These two defining moments we've discussed so far, your money will never be worth more than it is today, and this may be the lowest tax bracket you will ever be in, are unique because they will have a direct impact on all the remaining conversations and even our videos.
They certainly present a very clear challenge to our thought process. When combined together, they confront head-on some of the traditional thinking that has been branded into all of us.
If your money will never be worth more than it is today due to inflation, and this is the lowest tax bracket you will ever be in due to the demographics and government spending, then why is traditional thinking telling you to take as much of today's money as you can and throw it as far as you can into the future, where it will have less buying power and be taxed the most?
That is such a strong question. I recommend you actually rewind this and listen to that again. Once you do, ask yourself, is that the thought process and type of planning you want to pursue?
Yeah, Kelly, when you begin to apply these two defining moments to your everyday lives, you may begin to process things a little differently.
Like this. If I purchase a car, which is a depreciating asset anyway, do I want to use as many of today's dollars that have the most buying power and pay that car off as fast as I can that puts that money in control of the bank? Maybe not.
You may also think about the way you are approaching your retirement dollars in qualified plans, such as IRAs, 401ks. One thing is very clear. The government controls the pen, which gives them the ability
And the
to
authorization.
change the rules at any point. So you must then be able to answer this question: whose future are you financing? Yours or the government's?
You must consider that whatever you have left after taxes, what will be the buying power of your money at that time? Understanding this may open your eyes to ideas other than what you're hearing on TV or read in the financial magazines and simply today's traditional thinking.
That's what we do. We help you reconsider. It's financial caffeine.